The enerboxx DynaStrat System Solution. Modern housing comes in many forms, but certain systems have become standard. Heating is increasingly centralized, while domestic hot water is decentralized, and this offers significant advantages. First, the central heating network. Fossil fuels are becoming less popular, and district heating is not available everywhere. That's why heating systems are often based on heat pumps. The required electricity is often supplied by a PV system on the roof. The heating network is centralized, meaning one heat pump supplies several residential units. The generated heat is distributed within the units via underfloor heating, as is common today. Since the heat pump is only used for heating and not for hot water, it only needs to bring the water up to about 30 degrees Celsius. This allows the heat pump to be smaller, run more quietly, and work more efficiently. In summer, the two-pipe network can also be used to cool down the rooms. Second, decentralized hot water production. Hot water is produced separately in each apartment, using hot water tanks. This is where the enerboxx DynaStrat comes into play. The smart hot water system heats the water fully electric using a patented heating element, mainly powered by PV energy. Thanks to the 3-zone stratified charging system, solar energy is stored in the tank throughout the day. This makes the best use of the PV system. If hot water were produced centrally as well, 60-degree water would have to circulate throughout the entire building all the time, which is very inefficient due to the high temperature. So, the heating system and the hot water system work best when separated, and the enerboxx with DynaStrat technology fits perfectly into this setup. The enerboxx DynaStrat System Solution. Simple, efficient, and low maintenance, made for modern housing.